what do you think? Should we keep going?
Yes, let's keep looking. I think we're pretty close.
Okay, your call.
Stop!
What is it?
Look, a velociraptor. It has an egg. Come here.
You better be careful.
Shh, be quiet.
You scared him off. Hurry up, get on.
Okay, after it. Oh no, I think you killed it. Let me check. Yeah, it's dead. Okay, I got the egg. Let's go. No, wait. There's probably more nearby. I'll have a look. You wait here. Wow. It's a cave. Probably a dinosaur nest. Yes, I found 2 dinosaur eggs. I'll be rich. Yes. Oh no, it's a huge T-Rex.
Uh-oh.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Quick, get on. Okay, to the watchtower, fast.
That was close. You think it's coming back? Hope not. What are we gonna do? Oh no, it's over! No! No, no, no! Stop! Now's our chance. We should escape. Head to the car. Go, 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 go!
videos and want to join our family, please hit the blue circle here and hit the red button to subscribe. If you want to watch more videos, click here for this video. Or you can click here for this one or up here for this one.